The Alchemy of Action. Transmuting lust into power. This isn't about suppression. Suppression is a war you will lose. This is about transmutation, the sacred art of taking a raw, powerful energy and forging it into something stronger. You are not trying to destroy the fire. You are moving it from a place that burns you down to a forge that builds you up. Step 1. Recognize the signal. When you feel the pull of lust, stop. Don't fight it. Just create a 10-second space. Say to yourself, this is not a sin. This is raw life force energy. It is power. Feel it physically. Where do you feel it in your body? Is it a tense, restless heat in your core and limbs? That's your signal. That is the fuel. Your body is preparing for intense physical exertion. Your job is to give it the right exertion. This reframes the battle. You are no longer a sinner fighting a demon. You are an alchemist recognizing a potent ingredient. Step 2. Redirect the current. This energy needs a new pathway. Your mind has a well-worn neural route toward indulgence. You must carve a new one with force. The moment you feel the energy and recognize it as fuel, get up and move. Do not engage in a mental debate. Start with something simple and intense to bridge the gap. Push-ups to failure, a series of burpees, shadow boxing, fast, explosive combinations for 60 seconds. This initial burst begins the transmutation process. It tells your body, yes, we will use this power, but we will use it this way. Step 3. Forge the spirit in the fire now. Channel that activated energy into your primary discipline. For lifting weights, focus on compound lifts. This energy is perfect for squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and overhead presses. These movements demand total engagement. Set an aggressive goal. Use the fuel to go for a new personal record or an extra rep. That burning sensation, pour it into pushing the barbell. Imagine you are not just lifting iron. You are forging your willpower. Every rep is a hammer strike on the steel of your character. The mindset. This energy will not control me. I will control it, and I will use it to build a body and a will that is unbreakable. For kickboxing, focus on power and intensity. This is not a technical sparring day. This is a power and aggression session. On the heavy bag, visualize the bag as the embodiment of your compulsive energy. Pour every ounce of that restless fire into your combinations. Throw kicks until your legs burn. Throw punches until your shoulders scream. The mindset, I am not fighting myself. I am fighting for myself. With every kick, I am kicking down the walls of my old habits. With every punch, I am punching through my weakness. Step 4. The afterglow. After the session, you will be drenched in sweat and exhaustion. The lustful energy will be gone, transformed into muscular fatigue and endorphins. Feel the difference. Consciously notice the state of your body and mind. The chaotic, restless heat has been replaced by a calm, powerful fatigue. Hydrate and refuel. Drink water. Eat a clean, protein-rich meal. You have used the energy to rebuild your physical temple. Acknowledge your victory. Take a moment of pride. You did not succumb. You transformed.